Hey, it's Haley. Welcome to The Haley Show here on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. My name, of course, is Haley, and I am the Canadian crafter behind the foiled plan here on YouTube. Now, on my own YouTube channel, I like to dabble in all different types of crafting. So every episode of Hey, it's Haley is going to be different than the last, just like all of the content I create over on the foiled plan. We might be foiling, working on sublimation projects, learning how to design things, working with Cricut, silhouette, creating upcycled DIYs, working with resin, learning how to emboss. The list goes on, and I am so excited to share all of these crafty things with you. In today's episode, I am going to show you how to make this foiled sticker sheet for Valentine's Day. Let's get right into it. So once you've logged into your Auntie Tay membership, you'll just want to scroll down on the main page and you should see someone familiar. Just click on my face. It says the foiled plan, and this is one of the designs that I have created for you guys. So just do a little scroll down. You can see other things that I've created. If you want to learn how to hand letter, I've got lots of practice pages that I've done too. But we're doing a sticker sheet today, so I'm going to click on the Valentine's heart stickers. And once you click on that, it automatically downloads to your desktop or to your downloads folder. So now I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space and start a new project after making sure my machine is set to the Explore family, just because that's the machine I'm going to be using today. Anyways, we're going to go to upload an image. And now I'm going to browse my downloads folder, and I am going to open up the Valentine sticker sheet. And I want the PNG version. I'm going to click on Complex and Continue. We're going to progress forward until we get to this stage. We want to make sure we're selecting Print Then Cut Image, otherwise we won't have all the details on there. And then I'm just going to click Add to Canvas, and you should see it pop up there. Now, the largest print then cut size Cricut can do at the time of this video would be a size of 6.75 inches by 9.25 inches. So in order to make sure our design does not go over that, I'm going to insert a shape. We're going to put in a square, and then I'm going to unlock the size aspect ratio, and I'm going to change the width and the height to that 6.75 by 9.25 inches. And then, because this is now the top layer, I'm going to click Arrange and send it backwards. So now I can drag the hearts over on top and I'll still be able to see them. If I didn't move that rectangle to the back, then the hearts would be underneath the rectangle. So anyways, now I'm going to right click and duplicate, because I know I can fit lots more hearts on there. And we'll just make some adjustments until I can fit them as large as possible on that rectangle. And then I'm going to remove the rectangle, because I know these will fit that printable size, and it was really just a reference spot or reference shape for the time being. Now that we know that, I'm deleting that rectangle, and then I'm going to select both of the layers of the hearts. So there's one on the top, one on the bottom. I'm just going to draw a rectangle around everything to select it all, and then I'm going to hit flatten. That's going to turn that, now you can see on the right hand side, it's just one layer, so it turns it into one flattened image. Now I'm going to click the offset button, and I'm going to drag it over so it's the smallest size that it can be. You can adjust it by just typing it in, but I'm just using that little dot there and dragging it over. Now it's going to default to black, so I'm going to change that color to white, because I don't want the offset to actually print. And then I'm going to again select both of those layers and flatten the image again. So now that offset is part of those hearts. Next, I'm going to hit Make It, and then we're going to hit Continue. From here, we want to send the image to the printer. And I always like to turn off the bleed for these types of sticker sheets and use the print dialog box so that I can adjust the quality of the print to high. And if I need to change the paper type, I can do it there as well. And I'm just going to hit print. It's going to print on my monochromatic laser printer, which is what you need to use for foiling to work. If you use a laser printer, that's okay, but it's best if it's monochromatic, but inkjet printers will not work for this. So you can see everything printed nicely. Now it's time to load it into the Cricut. Now, back over in Cricut Design Space, I like to use the sticky note material setting to cut the sticker paper from shopantite.com. You may have to browse materials to find the setting, but I find, for me anyways, that's what works best for kiss cut stickers, which means it doesn't cut all the way through, then it leaves you with a backing. And I flip over my mat to peel the mat away so that I don't have a curled sticker sheet. You may wonder why I'm using a standard grip green cutting mat instead of the blue light grip mat, and that's just because all of my mats are super old, so they don't have a whole lot of tack on them. So if you're using a brand new mat to cut sticker paper or just regular paper, I would suggest using the blue light grip mat. Anyways, I always make sure to do my cutting on the Cricut before I start foiling, just in case there was an issue. I do like to test to make sure the stickers are going to peel away properly before I go ahead and waste foil. So now I'm going to trim off those registration marks that follow the perimeter of the design because we don't need to foil those. And then I'm going to take my deco foil. There is that striped one is Summer Rainbow, which is really pretty, and then the pink one is called Pink Melon. Both of those are available on shopantite.com. So I'm just trimming those foils down so they fit over the sticker sheet. And while I'm doing this, my Mink machine is heating up to the heat setting number 4. I'm going to slide everything into my transfer folder and make sure that things are sitting exactly where they need to be with no toner showing, because I don't want to ruin my transfer folder. And then I just do my reveal of the foil. Just do that peel and so shiny. Isn't that the best part? I love foiling so much. I know, I'm the foiled plan. I am biased when it comes to foiling, but I can't get enough. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This was another episode of the Hey It's Haley show here on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. Be sure to check out the link in the description box and head over to visit my channel, which is The Foiled Plan. My Instagram account is also linked in the description box as well if you want to hang out with me between videos. I would love to see you there. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and that's all I have for you. Okay, have an awesome day. Okay, bye.